Hi everyone and welcome. This is just a small unboxing or unpackaging from Wish. It's just a couple I thought I'd do, and as you don't know by now, this is the view of Burgess Hill in West Sussex. If you don't know where Burgess Hill is, it's near Brighton. Yeah, it's near Brighton, Hove, Southwick, always right. You know, it's close to all that area. Haywards Heath, Crawley. You know, it's amongst that. And there's the station. Hang on, let me get number 5 out as a pointer. Yeah, he's not doing very well. There's the station. There's a little shop on the corner, a little newsagent, and the station's there. And you walk down, all the way down, and there's the town. And that beige, that greyish colour corner is Quench. It's a pub. It's quite a posh pub, by the way. Yeah, it's called Quench. There's another pub there. Furthermore, pubs down there. St John in the background, St John's Church. And this is the view. Behind me is the Burgess Hill Inn, and you're coming down the road. I thought I'd give you a little insight of Burgess Hill, West Sussex, UK. Right, on with a little bit of packaging. There's 1, 2 and 3. So we only got 3 today. So I thought, well, being a nice day, we might as well do it. Right, let's unpackage the first one, which I think I know. Gosh, truth, mate. God, yeah. Right, there's that. I'll slide that off, I think. Yeah, that comes off nicely. Oh, yeah, there's a Dewberry in the middle. It's a poster. Yeah, and yeah, that's about, I can bring it closer to you. As you can see, a web of thrones. It's everybody in the Game of Thrones. It's all there like a family tree thing. If I can get it out. Where's that horrible King Joffrey? I don't think anybody liked him. Oh, there he is. Now he's a king. No, he ain't. He's a fucking dead king. Oh yeah, and by the way, I know it's a bit late to let you know, this video might contain some adult language. So for those easily offended, jog on chicken nuggets. Jog on chicken nuggets. Go on, off you go, chicken nuggets. There you go, right. And let's have a look. And then as you can see, what's the name? There's the Lannisters. Is it? No, that's the wrong one. Lannisters are over here, back in Flonker. Right, there's the Lannisters. As you can see. There's Targaryens. Oh, the Watch is there. The Tullys. The Starks. Where is she? Arya, yeah. Yep, there she is. There's Arya. There she is. Ceci, Rob. Hold door. Yeah. Nobody could understand what he was saying until it actually was saying, but I did. I said he was holding the door. Yeah. But anyway, he's worried now. It was good. It still is good. I've got the box set. I got them all. Oh yeah. Yeah. Offspring. Yeah, it's like a big family tree of them. Let's have a look at the watch. Oh, there's the night's watch. Oh God. This is yeah, look, there's the night's watch. You can see the Tigerians, and above there we should have the Lannisters. Yeah, the Lannisters. I'm at the right. There we go. Tyree, everybody. Littlefinger. Yes, Lord Lee, whatever his name is, I forgot. And yes, and as you can see, it's oh, it's getting tangled up with everything. This will definitely. Oh God, come on, come on, come on, come on. This will definitely be framed. Yep, I like this. This will be framed and yeah, and hanged up on the wall. Right, let's put that somewhere. That'll go there. Whoops. Right, let's have a look at this. Right, T.O. We'll have a look at this one. Oh yes, it's a nice windish, coolish day in Burgess Hill today. And yeah, if you've got a kite, it's a nice day to fly a kite, which I have a couple, which I will get out. And yeah, it's a nice day out there. Nice day to fly, fly, fly a kite, to kite, fly a kite. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, let's open up. Open it up. And, right. Ah, it's a coin. And you know what? It's a Titanic. Beauty. That'll go with the rest of my collection. Got quite a bit of Titanic memorabilia. This coin's a bit rough. As you can see, probably see, it's a Titanic. That's the front. And on the back, it's got the Voyage. The Voyager Titanic. Yeah, I got this from Wish. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, no. Just getting it in the right angle. So you can see the Voyage crossing. Can you? No. Oh, you can see a bit, but anyway, yeah, that's the Titanic. Yeah, maybe, no, yeah, maybe you can see the Voyage. Started from Ireland all the way to where it sunk. It's got the mark where it sunk. But yeah, nice coin. Yes, it's a very nice coin. I like that. That will go with the rest of my Titanic memorabilia. And what I do is I do a separate video of my Titanic memorabilia. Yeah, I even got the Art of the Ocean. I even brought that. It's all part of the Titanic, you know. Yeah, it's all part of it. Whether it's true or not, I don't know. I don't know about that bit. Whether that jewel, the Heart of the Ocean, is real, was actually real or not, I'm not sure. But it's that'll go in my collection along with the rest. And yeah, that'll go with my collection. I'll show you my collection one day. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, all these were free, but you had to pay postage. So it was £2 postage. So you can call it I paid £2. It ain't free, is it? You know what I mean? No, ain't free. But we have another one. Oh, God. Come on, number 5, cut the fucker. Yeah, cut him. Cut him. Gotcha. That's it. Oh, what the fucking hell's this? Look at that. What is it? Fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fucking hell. I just realised what it was. Fuck, that's burning. It's pepper fucking spray. Oh, fuck me. Oh, shit. I put a bit in the cat and fucking snorted it like a plonker. Fucking hell. Up me nose every fucking... Oh, fuck me. I forgot what it was. I wish they fucking... Jesus. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, do you imagine being tagged and pulling this out? Oh, hold on, do you mind I get my lipstick out? Yeah, wallop. Fucking hell. That there. Oh, I only had... Oh, that fucking hurts. Oh. Oh, fucking what a chicken nugget, eh? Fuck me backwards. Sideways, front ways. Bend me over, throw me over. Fucking hell, bite the pillow. Me love you long time. Me love you short time. Fucking hell. Yeah, put it up. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, well, that ends up being a pepper spray. Yeah, fuck knows why I brought this. I honestly don't know, but oh, fuck me, the effects. Fuck that. I suppose it's better than being tasered, I suppose. Yeah. But fucking hell, that was naughty. Yeah, naughty. Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. Oh, God. Right, just for a recap, I'll need to get this shit. Fucking hell. Oh, I ain't doing that again. Fuck me backwards. Oh, just a recap. We got pepper sprays disguised as a fucking lipstick. I've got my Titanic coin. Yeah. Jog on. Looks like a chicken nugget. Jog on, chicken nugget. Do. Yep. Chicken nugget disappears, doesn't it? Look at that. Yeah. Yep. We've got the coin. We've got that. And of course, we've got the tree of thrones. Is it the tree of... Oh, it's they call it the web of thrones. But, as you know, I'll tell you what I did find out for all you people. You know Queen Ceci? She went through the street. Shame. Are you ready for a spoiler? That wasn't her body. No, it wasn't her body. Because she refused to do it. She refused to do it, so they got a stunt double in and put a face on the top. And they had terrible trouble doing it, but they done it. So all you lads out there pulling one or pulling a couple over her, you know what I mean? It wasn't her body, mate. It was her double. Anyway, I just seen the hound. The hound. Yep. And the mountain. Yeah. I tell you what, I did like the mountain. I thought he was good. Even he didn't say a lot. People were shitting themselves. He is a monster of a man. Yeah. But, yeah. But that was a spoiler for you. Yeah. I read that somewhere. And, yeah. It was a double. But, yeah. But, yeah, the Weatherphones poster. Love it. I really do enjoy it. I thought that was good. So we got that, the coin, and for fuck's sake, if you ever get one of these and forget what it is, don't spray it in your face. It's a fucking pepper spray like a cunt. You know what I mean? Pepper spray and the coin. I got the coin, Titanic coin and a pepper spray. Fuck that. Right, thanks for watching. Oh God, I'm going to wash this out now. Oh, I feel like a fucking chicken nugget now. Dear, oh dear. Fucking jog on, jog on. Well, anyway, that's another view, like I said, of Burgess town where I live. Don't actually live in a town. I live out, you know, I live in, you know what I mean. I'm not telling you fuckers where I live. Unless you're a blonde nymphomaniac that owns a pub. Yep. Then I'll tell you. Right, anyway, have a look at Burgess Hill. That's in West Sussex, near Brighton. And well, thanks for watching. Look me up on Instagram. I'm on Instagram. Yeah. And thanks for now my fucking phone's ringing. For fuck's sake. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to catch you later. Bye bye.